So I am going to be making some thank you cards. I have 3 thank you cards to make because Casper will be done his before and after school care this week. And so I wanted to make thank you cards for his before and after school teachers. Just, you know, as a thank you for taking good care of him and letting him have so much fun. So I actually happened across a website on one of the Facebook groups. So it's like a card making Facebook group that I follow. It's called TheBeardedHousewife, which I think is hilarious. But he has a whole bunch of free CRICUT or like SVG files, which is the type of file you use for your CRICUT. And like it goes over how to put them all together. He has tutorials, he has YouTube videos. They're fantastic. Like I've watched, and he's doing a Christmas giveaway. So if you're into making cards for Christmas, which I am, then that's good. That's for you. So I just want to make sure I have enough of this stuff left before I go ahead. I mean, it doesn't really matter because I have enough. Like I have a whole bunch of cardstock paper, but you know, sometimes it's just good to be sure. I'm actually working off of my iPad today just because I downloaded it to my iPad. So that one I have enough of. This one I might need to get a new sheet just because it's the envelope, so I want it like all the pieces to match. But yeah, I might be able to get most of this. Putting in my scoring stylus. We're downloading an update. Something new again. My God. That's fine. I'll just enjoy my muffin. And there we go. That was quick. Alright, so I've cut, oh geez, the first part. Now I need to move on to the next one, but I gotta take the, I gotta take this off first. Look at that. So cute. Alright, I should make like a stack of where things are going. And then I just have to pull off like, maybe I can do it with my lint roller. Alright, so now what's the next part? Part of the envelope tabs. So same thing. Medium cardstock. Why is it making me scoring stylus? Come on. And there it goes again. I'm pretty sure those are for the envelope. So I have to make sure I keep that paper separate. What's next? What's next? Wonder? Oh no, that's not big enough. Like I said, I'm trying to use up as much scrap paper as possible. I want to see, how big do you need to be? 7.5 down. I don't know if that'll cut it. Oh, it'll be so close. Why not? Let's try. What's the worst that happens? Medium cardstock. Scoring stylus. We're gonna say, remember material. Check box to use material and pressure settings for all matte low types. Yes, we would like to do that. Okay, let's hope for the best, friends. While that's doing its thing, I'm just gonna do this like little bits at a time here. I'm just folding along my score lines and oh, it fit just nice. All right, so I'm running out of space to put things. This is what happens when you do too many crafts. What's next? Oh, that little bit. Okay. I think I could get away with a scrap for that. Do we think so? Maybe this one? I might need to just trim part of this off. Handy dandy paper trimmer. Oh, where'd my blade go? Just to get these little nuggets out of the way so that I can put this all the way up to the top of the, oh, fuzzy, of the mat. Okay, so all the score lines did pretty good on this one, except the ones right at the top of the letters, kind of hard. Two little circles didn't want to come out of here. I have to save these tiny little circles, oh my god. Okay, they're in front of the iPad so I don't forget. Alright, now I don't actually know how this is going to turn out because I'm not entirely paying attention to all of the cardstock that I'm using. But that's fine. We're almost done. Cutting stuff out, at least like for the first one. So I have all my pieces cut out for the first card. And I do think that I'm just going to end up doing like 3 of the same card because then it's A, less to download, B, easier. Because if I can put one together, then I can put all of them together. And then maybe I'll start on Christmas cards. Maybe instead of sewing today, I'll just do cards. Because this Bearded Housewife guy, he's got some amazing things. And I don't know if I mentioned it earlier. But if I didn't, or if I did, I mention it again. That's fine. He does like the 12 days of Christmas card giveaway or something. So it's either 12 or 13. I want to say 12 because that just makes sense. But each day for 12 days, he puts out a free SVG for like your cutting machine, whether it's a CRICUT or a Silhouette or whatever. I think Silhouette uses SVGs, correct me if I'm wrong. But it's all free so that you can make your own bitchin' Christmas cards. So that's great. Anyways, I have the instructions pulled up on my computer. We're gonna try and put it together. I just need to get my glue. One glue. And I just need to figure out where I put my other one. There's like a glue stick. Where'd my liquid glue go? There you are. Lots of glue. Okay, so fold the outer card layer, I think that's this one, along the score line. Which way do I want it to go? Yeah, okay, this way. So I have all these pieces. I have my 4 little polka dots. Boop. And then this has got a score down the middle, so you're just gonna fold it down the score line gently and then go over it with your scraper tool. Cool. Put glue on the back of the pop-up layer, place inside this and line up the score lines. So it'll eventually go like that. So that when you close it, and then when you open it, sweet. All right, so this sucker needs some glue. All right, I think that's all I need. And then just try and like center it in there, I guess. I wonder if I should have put glue on the back of that. Let's see if I can squeak a little bit in there. Cool. Nice. That's so fun. Look at that. Ready? Hey. All right. Now I think this goes on the outside. Like I think I have to like layer them like that, but I think I might do the pink with, yeah, I think I might do the pink with the turquoise. I think it's a little bit more like obvious than that. What do we think? Yeah, I think we're gonna do it like that. So I'm pretty sure that's the next step. Alrighty. Try and get it lined up. Cool, and then these little tiny polka dots. I'm gonna need to use my tweezers. Just gonna put little tiny dabs of glue on the back of these circles. Like literally the tiniest little bloop of glue. It's supposed to go inside the A. So there's two A's, the D and the O. Cool. All right, now I think this we glue to the front of the card. Yeah, and then we do the envelope. That's actually not that bad. And then again, just try to center it. Oh my goodness, look at that. Can we have a moment? Let me zoom in. How cute. Just wanted to say, thanks so much. Yeah. Okay, cool. Now we just have to do the envelope. So I just have to figure out where the score lines are. If there's, oh yeah, there's some, okay. Here's one. These little guys. So I'm supposed to stick these like that to the inside. Just want to make sure that I line the font up as well. And then I think probably I'll glue like some of the edge of it. Put some glue like on this edge and fold that up. I wonder, like, maybe I'll just do like regular, just because I don't know how much it'll overlap. I wonder if I should like clip it so it stays stuck down. Just until the glue dries. Does that seem a little bit excessive? Probably. Whatever. I have clips, I may as well use them. And look, an envelope. Would have been great if I had done it the other way so that, you know, the words were right side up. Whatever. And then I can just write like a little bloob in there. Maybe, yeah, I can write in there. Cool. All right, I'm gonna make some more. I hope you enjoyed this. Should probably end it better than just, I'm gonna go make some more. Okay, cool, bye. So I washed my hair earlier to try and get more of the pink out. I don't know, I think it might be a little bit lighter. It's still wet, so it's kind of hard to tell. But you know, we'll just keep scrubbing it and see if we can get it to be like this color down here, like blonde. Because it's still pretty pink. But that's okay. It'll all work out in the end. I've heard of some people using like Dawn dish soap on their hair because it's basically like using a clarifying shampoo, but probably a little bit stronger. I'm not at that stage yet. So I'm just gonna keep using the 2 citrusy shampoos that I have and lots of conditioner to hopefully fade this out. But yeah, so that's the hair update for the day. And I will try and keep you posted on that if you care. But I'm gonna make some more cards now and probably edit some video in the 2 hours that I have left. Oh, and the baby's bumping. Oh my goodness. In the 2 hours that I have left to do that. Excellent. Okay. Signing off. Like, share, subscribe, all the things the cool kids are saying. Whatever. You know.